Hi, my name is Hope Yoder, and I'm the owner of Designs by Hope Yoder. We specialize in machine embroidery, sewing patterns, and SVG artwork files that you can do fun, crafty things with. If you're watching this video, that means you're a brand new owner of the Craft and Cut software. So in this video, I want to show you how to apply smooth heat transfer vinyl. Before I get started with the technique, let me show you a couple samples that I made for this technique. First, we have a notebook that we've sewn for one of our Happy Hoopers Club, and we've done heat transfer vinyl on this little area, a monogram. Next, we have a salt and pepper shaker, Shake It Off. This is different colors. We have 4 different colors of smooth heat transfer vinyl. We found this cute little camera case, and so we've put the little smile design as a camera to hold your little camera. Isn't that cute? And then last but not least, we have another kitchen towel, and we have several colors of smooth heat transfer vinyl. Home is where you park it. Wouldn't these make great gifts for people you love? Let me show you how to create this Home is where you park it kitchen towel. The technique will be the same for all of these projects. Let's talk about the materials that you'll need to make this project. You'll need a good quality iron that gets to a nice hot temperature. You're going to need some heat transfer vinyl that's smooth. Now this comes on a roll, and it has a clear heat ironable release sheet on the back, and then it's kind of a dull color on the wrong side. Next, you're going to need a little tool that you can pick and weed, and a scraper. So let me show you how you would put this on your mat if you're not familiar with smooth heat transfer vinyl. You're going to put it shiny side down on your cutting mat. So you're going to go ahead and take that, push it down, finger press it down, take a scraper and scrape it really hard, making sure that you've got all the air bubbles out. So get a little rough with it. Check it in the light to make sure there's no air bubbles. Go ahead and put this in your die cutting machine. Now that I've cut my design, let's take it off the mat. An easy way to do this is to turn your mat upside down and simply roll the mat off of the smooth heat transfer vinyl. Now that we have our design cut, come in a little closer. Can you see the cut lines? It's very difficult to see. Let me give you a helpful hint from Hope on how to see those better. You're going to roll your vinyl, your heat transfer vinyl, and when you do that, you can start to see some of the cut lines. Maybe hard to see on camera, but when you do it, you'll like that little tip. So from here, we want to take this and weed away all of the background vinyl that we're not going to use. Weeding is a process just like weeding your garden, where you want the pretty flowers to stay and you want to pull the weeds and discard them. We're going to weed away all of the background, leaving only the part we want to use on this clear carrier sheet. Let's get started. I'm going to take my little pick tool, and I'm usually going to start in a corner. And if you've cut this good, it's going to pull and weed really nice. I'm going to go slow and steady. Now, one of the things I want to point out is when you start weeding design that has a lot of open area, it's probably a great idea to have your Craft and Cut software open with this design on the screen so you can look at it to refresh your memory on what the design is supposed to look like. Perfect. Now I have my design. Let's do something with it. We're going to need an iron, and when you purchase your smooth heat transfer vinyl, it will tell you, the manufacturer's directions will tell you the temperature that you need your iron to be set at, for how long you need to press it, and about what pressure, whether a light or a medium pressure. And the last piece of information you'll want to know is, do you peel it away hot or cold? Get my little iron over here. The first thing that I do is I heat up the part of the fabric or the towel just for about 5 seconds so it gets warm and it removes any moisture. Next, this transfer clear sheet you can press right on. So if you were wondering, how is she going to get all of these letters onto the towel? Do I have to pick them off? That would be too hard and no fun. So this sheet that came with it stays together. It keeps all the letters aligned and in place. It's a little bit sticky, which is perfect because when you put it down, it's going to stay put. Look at that. Make sure it's straight centered the way that you like it. And I can actually put my iron right on here. Now I'm going to be following the manufacturer's directions. So we'll give this a lot of pressure. Notice I'm not moving my iron. I'm holding it in one place and just slowly moving it. I think I'm ready to check it out. The directions for this product said to peel when it's warm. So you want to slowly peel away the release carrier sheet. And notice how it looks like I've done a great job. If for some reason part of it stayed on the release sheet, just iron it some more. Hey, ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! I got it. This we no longer need. Now, if you do rhinestones, you can hang on to this. You can press on it one more time. It would be like using an applique pressing sheet, or just throw it away. You don't need it anymore. So how great is that? We have just a quick little towel. If I didn't mention to you at the beginning of this little video, do you love the camper? How about the little cactus? I really like this little ribbon. You can do so much with it. Well, all of these designs are my original artwork from our company that we've included on a CD when you open your Craft and Cut software. So if you've not already done so, go ahead and load the designs into your software and you can create or recreate this same sample. I hope you've enjoyed this application video for smooth heat transfer vinyl and that it inspires you to make something awesome today. Maybe a gift for someone you love. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, happy crafting.